guarantee he finna rev it. Watch, watch. Listen to your shift, Chad. Jesus. I can't. YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We're back with another video. Oh my God. And today, man, we got y'all boys with another little chill POV. And man, I ain't been outside in like a couple days because I've been sick. I had the flu for like 3 to 4 days now. I lost my voice. I couldn't even talk, bro. So I couldn't even go out and vlog if I wanted to. This is the first time I'm going out in a couple of days, bro. We finna go on a little cruise real quick. Feel me? Oh my God. Oh my God. That boy Christian shit loud as shit, chat. Yo, chat, I broke my hat clip, man. So right now, I gotta try to fix this angle. Yo. Bro, this how my shit look now. Damn, I'm not even in sport, boy. Yo. That shit felt like a fucking spaceship, boy.
That's just not fair. Alright, I'll be fast next week.
I gotta keep checking this shit on my head because I got a different hat clip on right now. This nigga said, ooh. I apologize for the different angle, man. Pause. But I broke my hat clip like 10 minutes ago. So now we just gonna have to rock out with this one until we get that other one again, man. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with this blue ambient lighting though. This shit kind of pop. You know what it is? It's cause my box is plugged up. This nigga D. His burble sound different, don't it? All right. Look at that boy shit in the rear view. That shit look tough. All right, Cindy. That nigga shit clean. Guarantee he finna rev it. Watch, watch. We smell that 58. Machine. He flashing that shit, huh? You flashing that shit, huh? That boy on that shit. Niggas on that shit, man. Yo, where the hell did that water come from? That car we flew by probably like, what the fuck? I gotta get my fingers warmed up, bro. Yo, chat, I need an alignment, like, bad. Listen to your shift, chat. Jesus. Yo, was she just talking about bro's car? Run them, my father. You finna press that hole out. I know he is. Where we going?
We can, this the road right here, but we can pull like on the side, like how we did on that road back by the bridge.
Let me turn around. We outside, nigga. We getting this content, nigga. Slide. Fuck, niggas telling it. Now you don't gotta record. I got you, bro. Wait, where you finna start from? You might as well start from right there. Do like a dig or something, right in the middle of the road.
This is for He's so back to
You good? That shit sound good as shit. Yo. Machine. Yo.
God damn, that.
So we about to go switch locations right now because we want to set all the tripods up and shit, but it's windy out here. Listen to that shit. Oh my God. So we just pulled up to the location, man, as y'all can see. I'm about to put some videos up of the cars, and then niggas finna do some flybys, man. Wait, nigga, wait. See you. Hold up. I can't.
That shit's nuts, nigga. Yo.
Bumbucker. Yeah, so right now, chat, I'm finna go back to the crib, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that dog better chill the fuck out. Oh my God. But yeah, man, I'm about to go to the crib right now, get some food. I got a couple videos I gotta edit too. Nah, he coming. If y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs. We really close to 2K subs, actually. By the time I drop this video, I might be at 2K subs. You never know. But yeah, man, if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all boys been enjoying the vlogs I've been dropping, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.